everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Addie. I'm the artist and owner behind Ruby and Rose's Yarn, and in today's video I am so excited to tell you a little bit about what to expect because it's something I've never had on the channel before. It's a complete vlog of our trip to the Canary Islands. So for those of you that are new here, I got married in December of last year and we decided to go on a cruise to the Canary Islands, a bit of Spain and Lisbon, Portugal, and we decided to take you along on our trip in the form of these vlogs. And not only that, we also were so inspired by all of the color there that we decided to make an entire collection based off of our experience and based off of the things that really drew us to the places we visited throughout each country. And it was just super fun. It was my first trip abroad and we really wanted to do something special for this collection and for this just trip in general. What's super cool about this vlog for me personally is getting to see it come to life and getting to just kind of relive our experiences. So not only is it for you guys, but it's also going to be a really fun memento for us to look back on in years to come, I think. And not only that, but just to get to see all the colors come together. And it was really a fun milestone for me as an artist throughout this entire thing. So just to give you an idea of like the colors that you'll be seeing, this is a colorway that is my personal favorite from this vlog. It is called Sail Away, so a little teaser there. And I personally love this colorway along with this really fun hot pink, which is a colorway I've been wanting to add into the shop for a while now. So all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And as this vlog is different from anything else I've had on my channel, I wanted to kind of give you a breakdown of what to expect. So this vlog is going to be one of two parts of the entire 2-week experience of our trip abroad. And I actually have some undyed skeins here. So these skeins I have taken along with me through all of the Canary Islands, through different cities in Spain, as well as a bit of Gibraltar and Lisbon, Portugal. So these skeins, I will go like this periodically throughout the video. And when you see me do this, you know that that is a place that I'm going to be creating a colorway based off of either the architecture or just the city life, or something in that scene is going to be based off of a colorway that you will see the next slide. So be sure to keep a lookout for whenever I shake some undyed skeins around to see the next slide that is the colorway come to life. So if you love any of these colorways that you'll be seeing throughout the vlog, be sure to click the links down below and browse. And yeah, that is what to expect with this vlog. It is all of the Canary Islands. And the next vlog is going to be a little bit of Cadiz and Malaga, Spain, as well as Lisbon, Portugal, which is my personal favorite city because the color there is just unmatched and I was just completely inspired and awed by everything there. So there's going to be a lot of colorways, some fun sock sets, some fun speckled and tonal colorways, as well as a few custom progress keepers designed by Katie of Black and Blue and Lindsay of Simply Serving. So all in all, I hope you guys enjoy these next 2 videos. And as always, thank you so much for choosing to make art with my art. And yeah, it just means so much. So like I said, all of the Canary Islands collections is linked down below. Please feel free to comment with any questions you have. And yeah, I will see you at the end of the video. Bye. just got back from the spa. That was the one big treat we decided to do because I've never had a massage before, but you have.
I've had some. This was different though.
Yeah, it was really cool. We have a beautiful view of the ocean like from our room, which is super fun, and I'm debating getting some Starbucks coffee, and you want to take a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap.
But here's a close-up shot of our view. I brought my knitting up here. Devin's getting ready to do a bit of journaling, but the view is so incredible.
Pelagic waters.
Yep, I named him and he said that. This is the Advent project that I'm working on. As you can see, I just finished day 1 and I'm starting to work on day 2 right now. It's such a wide blanket, which is going to be really fun. Really, really fun to work on. So we are in Santa Cruz right now, and it is such a fun city. We've been walking around and got food.
Middle of January, and it's pretty warm.
Yeah, it is. Like, yeah, I'm definitely like normally cold always, and it's like great short sleeve weather, and there's been a lot of fun shops and things. And I have some inspiration for a few new colorways, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. One, Devin's been the photographer, gotten some really fun pictures.
We have no idea what we're doing here. It's hard to understand people because I only know a little bit of Spanish.
And I know none, so it's been fun.
So we're just wandering around and saying a few random words. We found a fruit market. That was cool.
Yes, all fresh produce, which was fun, like their version of the public market. And that was super cool.
We took a train all the way to the top of the mountain and got some paella, which is shrimp and rice.
Yes, and sorry for the loud noise. I have no idea what that is.
There's a dog up there. There's chihuahuas everywhere.
But anyways, so that is where we are right now, and I will, share a little bit more later. One thing I think is super cool is that there are poinsettias everywhere. People are planting them like alongside the streets, which is so different from in America. And it's just been, really cool to see all the fun shops. So here they are. We want to get like a houseboat at some point, or a little boat.
Definitely would love some sort of sailboat or some sort of houseboat. They're from all over the place. Most of them are from Spain. Some are from France.
Yeah, they're really cool.
I think that one way over there is from Canada. They all have flags.
Yeah, that is Canadian. Pretty sure. It's the one like way over there. But yeah, very cool. So many fun ships. those are all the Canaries.
Puerto del Rosario, Lanzarote, Gran Canaria.
And where are we now?
Here.
Here? Wow.
Right there's where we were yesterday.
So one of the weirdest things that we're figuring out here is that everything closes like around 3 o'clock.
About 3 to 6, 6:30.
Yeah.
For the siesta culture. People go home to take a nap, be with their families.
And then they're like out all night, right? Like,
Yeah, and they're out all
crazy.
night. They have dinner at about 10 or 11 p.m. It's crazy. Luckily, we're in a tourist area, so there's still some things open that want to make money. But I'd say half the stores.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. We saw this really beautiful shop, but it was completely closed. So
And we walked
might-
up.
Yeah.
I know in America, if you walked up, they'd be like, "Oh, a customer, let's open it." They said, "Nope, come back later. We're going home." He
They're
said
taking their
siesta.
nap. It's funny. So yeah, we will probably not be doing that. it's funny, it's playing Dean Martin's Let It Snow. It's just making us laugh so much.
We're in Arrecife, Lanzarote.
Yes.
It's one of the Canary Islands.
I am never going to pronounce that correctly, I already know.
Probably not.
But,
it's known for its fire mountains.
Yes, we were going to book an excursion to go on camelback, but for some reason the desk was closed last night.
So instead we just walked around and explored the city.
Yes, and I got some amazing inspiration photos for Colorways. So that is it for this week's vlog. Stay tuned for the part 2 drop in 2 weeks time, and a little teaser for that video. This is my favorite colorway from the entire Spain and Lisbon trip. I also really love like this fun new tonal, as well as this one that is super bright and summery. So all in all, I hope you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the next one, like I said. And in the meantime, I would love to know in the comments down below what was your favorite colorway debuted in this video, or favorite sock set, or whatever you loved about it. I would love to read and hear your thoughts. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.